communicate with other countries using like gadget, laptop, or something like that. So now we will learn about globalization, and by the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the example of globalization in daily life and what's the impact in our life. So, globalization is a process that makes the world citizen increasingly connected and interdependent. So, people are they interact with each other across the world. They may be using their gadget, using laptop, and something like that. There are many types of globalization, such as technological, economic, cultural, and then political. So let's talk about one by one. The first one is technological globalization. So technology is one of the main factors that accelerate globalization. Developments in technology make communication, transportation, and information exchange faster and easier. Technological globalization refers to the global spread of technology and innovation. So the example is internet and social media. Platforms like TikTok, Twitter, Instagram connect billions of people and allowing them for instant communication. And we know like TikTok is many information in there across the world. So we can know information across the world through social media. The next one is economic globalization. So economic globalization is the increasing interconnectedness of world economies. So it involves the exchange of goods and services. For example, international trade. Countries exchange goods and services globally. For example, in the Jepara, there are many people that produce chairs, table, and cupboard from woods, and then they export this project across the world. And then multinational companies. Companies like Coca-Cola, Nike, Adidas operate across many countries and influencing local economy. The next one is cultural globalization. So, cultural globalization is the spread of cultural products, values, ideas, and practices across the world. For example, media and entertainment. Movies, music, and TV shows reach global audience, and such as K-pop, Korean pop. Are you fans of K-pop, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So K-pop or Korean pop is the global popularity of K-pop music that has led to the spread of Korean culture worldwide, with millions of fans in various countries. But if you are a fan of K-pop, you have to keep rise your cultural identity, so you can you not lose your cultural identity, right? And then the next one is food and fashion. International cuisines and fashion trends spread across country. We can try food from other countries in Indonesia, right? Like Chinese food, Thailand food, and Western food in Indonesia, right? We thought we go there, right?
Yes.
And the last one is political globalization. So, political globalization refers to the increasing political cooperation between countries through international organization and agreements. For example, international organization, countries cooperate on global issues such as health, trade, and security through organizations like the United Nations and World also PBB, yes. Indonesia is involved in PBB. Okay, globalization have impact in our daily life, both positive and negative. So we can discuss the positive one first. So the positive impact of globalization improve to access information. So we can get a lot of information across the world by technology, something like that. And then communication and transport development. So previous years, people go to Mecca using by ship. So it takes a lot of time, right? And then now transportation are developed, so people can go there by plane. So it makes people easier to go abroad. And then economic growth. When countries are doing exchange goods and services, it can make economic growth in the countries. And then cultural exchange and understanding. So by cultural globalization, we can know others countries' culture, values, and something like that. And then the negative. So globalization can make environmental degradation, such as climate, right? Climate change, I mean. And then economy inequality. So when globalization happens, it makes the developed countries and developing countries unequal, like in the American and in the Palestine, Palestine,
Yes.
in Gaza. So it's really different, right?
Yes.
And then loss of cultural identity. So when you fans of K-pop or
Yeah.
something like that, Hollywood music, you keep arise your cultural identity. And then job displacement. So the development of technology like AI, maybe 10 years later will change people by technology like AI. So it will make job displacement. I think that's all for the materials. Is it enough? Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now I will give you a worksheet.
K-pop. Apa ini berarti?
Have you done, everyone?
Not yet, Miss.
Okay.
make the relationship each country more closer, and the negative impact is maybe appear some conflict that come from the country that didn't agree with the association.
Number 3, the example of globalization is WhatsApp, and the types is communication, and the impact in our life are for the positive is help us communicate easier, and the negative is attacking with technology or internet. And then last, for the example of globalization, there is K-pop, and the types is entertainment, and the impact in our life are there are positive. So the positive is to entertain people and open job opportunities, and for the negative